I'm Lynn Lino, and I'm the owner of Craig, luxury exclusive use venue in the Highlands. And so you can imagine there's a lot of laundry associated with that. We try and provide a 5-star service, so we have multiple towels in the rooms and just beautiful sheets and linens.
When we first went to Craig to look at the area required, Lynn actually wasn't convinced that she had enough space for an on-premise laundry. Through the careful planning, we managed to put in a lot more than she thought, and also run services to an area that she didn't think services could be run to.
Give or take a few dish towels, the entire laundry system was sent out to a not-so-local dry cleaners. I could see the degradation of our product, so I wanted something in-house that we could turn around the very next day.
It was very clear that she wanted to be in control of her laundry. She was driving 2 hours every time she had to go to a laundry, and the costs were extremely high.
The space that it's having to take up is really minimal. That was one of the surprises in all this.
There is an understanding and belief that you need a large area to have an on-premise laundry, and actually you don't. A square metre will accommodate a washer and dryer stacked, and you can build it from there. You can wash between 250 and 300 towels per day.
So on the day of the installation, it was incredible how the team pulled it all together. We weren't sure whether it was going to fit in the door, but they managed to get it in very easily. Although it was quite a big process and it was involved, the team managed to pull it off without any hitches at all. Having an on-site commercial laundry at Craig is really going to be revolutionary for us. We're able to just do absolutely everything required to run a luxury business here.
The benefits of having an on-premise laundry is all about control. Controlling your quality, controlling your costs, controlling the deliverables to your customers.